Hey guys, Ricky here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install single player commands for the Mac. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to whoosh over here and you're going to want to go to this page. And I will provide the link in the description. You're going to want to scroll down here, hit the downloads button, and hit the one for 1.7.3. And it should give you this ad stuff. Back to school today.com. Yeah, love this one. Hit skip ad because nobody likes them. Blech. Then you wanna hit this show and finder. Pop it on the desktop. Once that's done, open it up. You should have all these .class files. Open up Finder, Library, Application Support, Minecraft. Then you're gonna want to go to your bin. You should have these .jar files, the natives, and the version. You should have this thing. No, you can't open it though. Now hit open with archive utility. And you should get this Minecraft folder. You should get this right here. So you're going to want to take this, pop it in the trash. And then you're going to want to rename this Minecraft.jar. Hit enter. And are you sure you want to add the extension .jar? Add that. Once that's done, open it up. You should get all these .class files. What you're going to want to do, come here. Copy 23 items and paste items. Replace. And you're pretty much done. Open up your Minecraft.jar. You should have roles edit and stuff. Once that's done, you're gonna want to open up Minecraft. Log in. And the single player. And when you log in, you should get that. I don't know why my thing doesn't work. And you can just type the commands. I'll go over the commands in another video. But my favorites are no clip and fly. I have the fly binded with the letter C. So all I have to do is hit the letter C, and I have fly turned on. Oh! And yeah. So thank you all for watching.